Yeah, just heating up some leftover from yesterday in our cozy little room. And I had some hot water earlier mixed with my tea, my boba tea, and just warm up this morning right away. It's so cool. Good morning， 大家早上好。
早上好。
Yeah，
睡好了吗？
睡好了。看一看泰山老师的 breakfast 早餐，是昨天我们剩下来的，有面炒面，还有陈皮鸡，还有一些这是豆豉鱼，非常好吃。Look at that ocean background, honey. Yes, it's beautiful. Yeah. 看一下泰山老师多么努力的在工作。You are working hard, honey.
Oh, hi. You just caught me working hard.
Yeah.
Preparing for Monday.
Is working hard also an idiom?
I'm going to say no. If it is, it's too weak. It's busy as a bee?
Yeah, you're busy as a bee.
I am as busy as a bee.
Yes, is that an idiom?
I think that, well, it's a simile.
Simile.
You're comparing yourself to a bee.
Okay.
And, but it'd also be an idiom. Because why are bees busy? I'm looking it up right now.
Okay.
The origin of busy as a bee. Bees are known for being hard workers, and they're busy little insects. I guess I didn't have to look that up. Yeah. Bees always seem to be working on a project. So
Yeah.
if you're busy as a bee, you're constantly doing something. And I think in more recent years, I have become more and more busy as a bee.
Yes,
Always
you're
got,
always busy.
always have
at
stuff
home.
to do.
At school, at home, even right now vacation, on weekends.
Yeah. Ruining our vacation so that I could do some planning.
And you have beautiful waves behind you.
Oh my gosh, I'm at the ocean.
Yeah.
Wow.
Where else can you find a place, a perfect place to plan your next week lesson plans?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a perfect.
So
Can you give an example for busy as a bee?
Some people think that I seem like I have nothing to do, but if you pay close attention, you will find that I am as busy as a bee.
Yeah, thank you so much, 泰山老师.
You're welcome, Lulu
Yeah,
Laoshi.
I hope you plan very well. So next week you will have a very smooth classes, and those kids will be very calm, treat you nicely with respect. We hope everybody is enjoying wonderful weekend. Okay, 请订阅、点赞，并提一些好的建议。Okay, bye. See you later. Hi, 泰山老师。你好。Enjoy your walk.
Let's go get some pumpkin.
看到这辆卡车改装成的露营车，实在是太酷了。
I think this is the one I want to drive to school.
It's gonna be so impressive.